Multi-location retail gets messy when stock is moving between stores. How do teams move stock without losing visibility? It starts in Shopify Admin. The team creates a transfer, chooses the origin, destination, products, quantities, and adds reference details. Now the transfer can be tracked centrally across all your retail locations with real-time statuses like ready to ship, in progress, and transferred. At the Origin warehouse, staff open Shopify POS, go to their Outgoing transfers, and select the specific transfer they need to fulfill. They pick and pack the products by scanning barcodes or by manually adjusting the item quantities right on the tablet. Once the boxes are packed and ready, staff send the shipment from POS, immediately updating the status for everyone. For these outgoing transfers, they can easily print a packing slip containing all the required shipment and product details. Meanwhile, at the destination store, staff can see the stock is on the way. They open incoming transfers to review the arriving shipment. When the boxes arrive, they can scan and count the line items, review everything, and confidently accept the inventory. The transfer is complete, and stock counts are instantly updated across all locations. That's multi-location inventory made simple.